Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, dual power mirrors, rear wiper, backup camera, Bluetooth, push button start, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.